G'day guys, Mark from TAT, the Automotive Technician. Today I'd like to share with you a service item that you may not be aware of or not taking full advantage of that can put money in your bank. What is it? Stick around and I'll tell you. As we go about servicing our customers' vehicles, we may or may not use a manufacturer's service schedule. That's where this item can get missed. Call it a cabin filter, a pollen filter, or an air conditioning filter. Doesn't matter, it's all the same. But it's in the title of the part that matters. It's a filter. It's something that should be changed on a regular basis. So where are these cabin filters kept? If we have a look at this particular data provider, we can scroll down and we can see the item listed right there. Cabin filter, if fitted. And if we click on that, that will actually give us a picture of where it is located. Easy peasy. Or with this particular parts manufacturer, you can see that there's a fitment guide. Of course, they're located in all different areas, and that's why some technicians leave them alone, because it's just the too hard basket. They can be the easy ones located in behind the glove box. Others may be a two-part one that you have to slot together. Some, like the Ford Focus, you have to pull out the interior fuse box before you can gain access to the cabin filter itself. The Nissan Pulsar is another example of a difficult one, where you have to squish the filter to slide it past the heater core pipes. So why should we bother? Firstly, there's the health of the customer. These filters are designed to stop pollutants entering the cabin, as well as pollens and fungus. That shows that we care about the customer. Secondly, there's the air conditioning side of things. A blocked filter will not allow the air conditioning to operate correctly. Thirdly, there's the income that is generated from the filter as well as the installation of it. That money goes in your pocket. So I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a reminder about this filter, its location, and also the income that can be generated by replacing it. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys, for yourselves and for your business. So until next time guys, we will catch you up in another TAT video. This is Mark signing off. I'll catch you later.